Hi kids, it's Miss Dishana here. I'm missing all of your faces at the club, so I thought it would be pretty fun to do a little arts and craft with you guys. The items I used were a pencil, scissors, glue, green, brown, and white paper, and some paint and a paintbrush. But if you don't have any of these items, don't worry, you can just use whatever you have at home. Okay, let's get into it. All right, to get things started, we are going to trace our hand on some green paper. And once you're done with that, you can cut the hand you just traced out. Once you're done, you're going to grab some brown paper and you're going to trace out a flower pot. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. Mine definitely isn't. And once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can just cut it out. Then you're going to glue both the hand and the flower pot on some paper. I'm using a white piece of paper, but you can use whatever color you want. And once you're done with that, you can grab another piece of paper and some paint, and we are going to make 5 fingerprint flowers. I'm using pink and purple, but you can use any color you want. You can do all the same colors, or you can do them all different. Once your flowers are all dried, you're going to cut them out. And then you're going to glue them onto the green hand you made. The next part is completely optional. I had sticky gems, so I used them to make the little middle part of the flower. If you don't have that, no worries. You can use markers, you can use paint, or you could just leave them as they are. So there you have it, a super simple craft, something you can do if you're bored and you have some free time. And this is what it turned out like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely plan on doing some more things with you guys, and I cannot wait to see you once we're all back at the club. Bye!